Hey guys, this is DIY Manual and I just want to show you how to change the engine air filter for your Hyundai Veloster. I have a Hyundai Veloster 2016 here. To change the air filter, all you need to do is remove these clips right here and right here. And you can actually lift this thing up. Remove the filter. And basically, you just want to drop the new filter in its place. And close this thing back up. So right here you have a notch right there, so make sure that you put this thing back into that notch. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that, and I'm just gonna close this pin, and that's how you change the engine air filter for your Hyundai Veloster. So if you have a Hyundai Veloster, make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot of maintenance on this car. And thank you for watching.